Hi there, welcome to the cutting edge number 9. Today's topic is the exhaustless vacuum cleaner. In the previous video, we introduced gas adsorption recovery system which utilizes activated carbons. In this video, we invented another innovative system which also utilizes activated carbons, namely the exhaustless vacuum cleaners. Well, conventional vacuum cleaner collects dust by filtering sucked air. Then the air is exhausted from the device. In some special situations, the exhaust air may pose some issues. First, remaining dust particles in exhausted air may cause degradation of air quality in clean rooms. Second, when material removed is not safe, such as chemicals or biohazards as such, the exhaust from the vacuum cleaner may cause contamination around. Since activated carbons sucks air as many times as its original volume, dust can be collected through the suction nozzle which is attached to the activated carbon container. Please note, there is no exhaust air as all the air is adsorbed by the activated carbons in the container. The next video demonstrates how it works.
The exhaustless vacuum cleaner using activated carbons. Activated carbons adsorbs gas around. Activated carbons are stored in the container and vacuumed. Activated carbons. Dusts are trapped in the glass container in the middle. Let's try. Opening the valve, but no exhaust. Plastic particles are sucked. They are trapped in the glass bottle in the middle. It's a lot. 60 liters of air can be collected in 10-liter container. It may be used in clean rooms or processing hazardous materials.
After the activated carbons are saturated, it may be regenerated or incinerated when reuse is not possible. We haven't commercialized this product yet, and we are seeking a real application which is suitable to this innovative concept. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again sometime soon with another episode of The Cutting Edge. Bye bye.